Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's episode, Becca will be sharing nail art designs inspired by the official light sticks of 5 different K-pop groups. I'm really excited about this video, and I hope you are too, because I know a lot of you are big K-pop fans. Let us know down in the comments which one of these designs is your favorite.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. I'm using a sheer white as the base color for all of the designs I'll be showing you today. First up, we'll be painting Blackpink's new light stick. Start off by making a heart with light pink. Alternate between light and dark pink lines on the left side of the heart to mimic the accordion look of the light stick. Paint the handle of the light stick with black. Paint half of a pink heart to the left of the handle and add the alternating light and dark pink lines beside it like we did for the first heart. Add a band to the handle in white and then fill it in with darker pink. The next light stick that we'll be painting is EXO's. Start off by painting a white hexagon in the center of the nail. Use white polish to add the handle underneath the hexagon. Use a dark gray to make the outline of a smaller hexagon within the larger white hexagon. Connect the corners in a crisscross pattern and then add a shorter horizontal line on the left. The third light stick is BTS's Army Bomb. Start off by painting a white circle in the center of your nail. Add the handle underneath with silver polish. Darken the center of the handle with black. Paint a black rectangle on the top right-hand side of the circle and then add a red dot above it for the fuse. Paint 2 light gray curved lines on the circle. For Twice's Candy light stick, we'll be starting off with a white circle in the center of the nail as well. Outline the circle in silver and then add a horizontal silver rectangle underneath it. Add a vertical white rectangle below the silver to complete the handle. Create a light gray swirl inside of the circle. Add spots of neon magenta and apricot to the circle, making sure not to paint over the gray swirl. Finish off by adding a gray stripe to the handle. The last light stick that we'll be painting today is SHINee's. To make the main diamond shape, use Pearl Aqua to paint a heptagon or a 7-sided shape. All of the internal lines that I'm painting here don't really matter since the shape will be filled in. I'm just using them to make sure the shape is symmetrical. Add a white handle underneath the diamond. Outline the diamond with a dark teal. With the same teal polish, make a pentagon inside of the diamond and connect it to the top vertice. Use a medium blue polish to make 4 lines connecting the vertices as shown, and then use a lighter blue to make a diamond in the center of the light stick. Lastly, add a gray circle for the on-off button. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which group's light stick you want to get or which ones you already own. I personally want to get my hands on EXO's and SHINee's light sticks. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.